perfect yet, but you can see this beautiful landing page, and joining the community will lead to a form at join, and about the camp could lead to the docs, which is basically all the information you need about the bootcamp. And now we finally have all the required information about the headers that get automatically added if there is no header, basically. So yeah, I think it's a really big improvement because every page gets a deterministic header. You can see that the header is always the same because it's based on the URL, but it's still randomly chosen, basically, but it's deterministic. So yeah, this is how it looks, and most of the headers look fine, but some of them just have a bad ratio of the image, which leads it to have some faces missing, for example, like this one. It misses my face, and yeah, here too, two faces. But it depends, of course, on your resolution as well. You can see that the lower the resolution gets, the less of the image is shown, so that's certainly something that needs some work. But I will figure that out and write some guidelines for adding the right headers to your page. Yeah, of course the search also works pretty nicely, and yeah, it just looks cool. I think it's a huge improvement compared to what we had, because it just gives you a much better feel of the whole idea behind it, and yeah, I really think it's a huge improvement. So I will probably deploy this very soon, and yeah, hope you like it.